Welcome to Paju Tutorial channel. In this occasion, I would like to show you how to find the duplicate data like this. Okay, don't go anywhere and check it out. Okay, let me show you how to find out duplicate data. Okay, for example, we want to find out C1 like this. C1. The first one is you have to block one row if you want to find duplicate in row. But if you want to find out in column, you can block like this. Okay, for this example, I would like to show you one rows. We want to find out duplicate of C1, for example. Okay, the first is you block and then click conditional formatting, then click highlight cell rules, you click equals to, and then type C1. Width, you can choose the colors you want, maybe yellow, green, light red fill, depends on you. Okay, I click yellow fill with that yellow text. Okay, click OK. You can see that C1 is blocked with yellow color. If you want to find out another data, you can try again, but don't forget to block first. Click conditional formatting, highlight cell rules equals to, for example, A1, then click OK. You find out A1, A1, C1, 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 C1. How to find out one column? I think it's same. For example, I want to choose like this. Click conditional formatting, and maybe we can choose duplicate values in other way, but like this. Okay, A1, A1. Okay, guys, I hope you understand what I'm telling you. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, so that I can increase my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.